Hello, I'm Jay at Volunteer Audio, and today is giveaway day. We're giving away an awesome new system for that new body style Harley Davidson motorcycle. The 2023 and a half and newer CVOs and 2024 and newer base model bikes. We had a promotion all of January where if you shared one of our A2B videos, we entered you in with no purchase necessary to win one of these awesome Hertz A2B systems. New front speakers, rear speakers, an awesome amplifier, and our new interface. Not only that, if you come and visit us, we're going to do installation for free. We're also going to do 5 runner-up gifts. So you're going to want to watch as we generate and pull from these names, find out if you're one of the lucky ones that won. Now, if you didn't enter, it's not too late. We're doing a new promotion for the month of February for everybody with those 1998 to 2023 bikes. So watch the video to find out more about that. All right, so let me give you some details about what we got going on. So in the month of January, we launched a series of videos related to these new Harley Davidson and their systems. We did some amp comparisons, some speaker comparisons, but we told you all you had to do was like the video and share it publicly on Facebook, and we would enter you to win a new system. No obligation to buy. You did that. A lot of you did that. We have 641 people who did that. And today we're going to draw from those names. We've got a random number generator here on Google, and we're going to generate 6 numbers. The first 5 are going to be entered in to have a highly discounted system, meaning we're going to take 20% off the normal sell price for you if you decide to buy one for your bike. And if you come and see us, I'm going to do the installation for free. Now you may be thinking, what if I already bought a system from you? Well, great. I'll refund you 20% of it if you did that. And we'll see about maybe seeing if you want to do more or upgrade it even further. So we're not going to leave you out. Now, the first 5 numbers I generate are going to be offered that highly discounted system and the free installation. The 6th number is going to be the person who wins the whole system. But remember, there were a couple rules. You had to share the video publicly. You had to own a new body style bike. If you don't have proof you own the new bike, and we're going to ask for it, then this does not apply to you. And a lot of you reached out and said, but I don't have the new bike yet. I love my bike. Are you going to do something for us? And we're going to. So for the whole month of February, we're going to launch a series of videos about the new SoundStream Reserve radios. They're amazing quality radios, and we're going to do a series covering the different models. If you like those videos and share them publicly, we're going to enter you to win one of those radios. We're also going to give you not a specific radio, but the best radio that fits your bike. So you're going to want to definitely take part in that because no purchase necessary, simple as a share publicly, and you're going to be entered. But let's get to this giveaway, and I hope at the end we're able to reach out and call whoever it is that won and let you see their reaction. We'll see how this goes. We've never done that part before. So I've got my random number generator up here on screen, and out of the 641, it's going to pick a number in between. So we're going to generate our first number. That first number is 586. So let me take my paper here, flip toward the back. 586. Your name, Chuck Kessler. Chuck Kessler is our first one. Now again, these are the runner-up ones that give you a highly discounted system and the ability for free install. Let's do our next number generation. Oh, let me hit the right button here. Number 234. 234. Raymond Quintana. Raymond Quintana. So we'll reach out to each one of these people when we're done here. Let's generate our third number. Another runner-up, number 62. Number 62 is Chad Minette. Let's go ahead and find our fourth number. The fourth number, 243, Jeff Shelton. That's 4. Let's do our 5th one now. Let's not drag this out too long. Number 546, using Google's random number generator. Anthony Lamb. So let's take a second. These 5 names, Chad Minott, Raymond Quintana, Jeff Shelton, Anthony Lamb, and Chuck Kessler. If you already bought a system, I'm going to be refunding you some money. If you haven't yet, I'm going to offer you an amazing deal and the best system for your bike. And if you'll come visit me, we're going to do free installation. That's the 5 runner-ups. And remember, none of these people had to buy a thing to get entered into this. Now, for the grand prize, a full free system, free installation. I hope you come see me. We want to get this put in your bike because I want to let people be part of the experience. We'll video together as you drop it off. We'll listen to it together at the end. But let's see who that is. Let's generate that last number. Number 385. Let's go here. 385. Eddie, I think I'm going to say your name wrong. It's A-Y-U-S-O, so I'm going to say Ayuso. Eddie Ayuso, you are our grand prize winner. You are going to get a free system. You are going to get free installation. I can't wait to call you and see your response to this. So let's do that. Let's give him a call. Let me see if I can figure out how to contact him and see if we can video that here in a few minutes. All right, so I love days like today. I love doing things like this because we are so blessed. God has given us so much, and we love to give back. And I really appreciate all of you that watch us. Thank you for all of you who shared our videos. Even if you didn't win, we really appreciate you sharing. And hopefully later this year, as we do different giveaways each month, you will get to win something. Thank you for watching. Let's talk about next month's giveaway. So next month, if you've got a 1998 to 2023 Harley Davidson, or if you got a 24 that's the old body style, it still has a standard sized radio, we're going to be giving away the best SoundStream radio for your bike. So that would mean if you have a 98 to 13 Road Glide, that would be the HD HU 9813RG. If you have a 98 to 13 Street Glide, that would be the WHD SG. And if you have one of those 14 to 23 model, any of those Street Glides, Electric Glides, Ultras, Road Glides, you're going to get the new SoundStream Reserve V2. With the Maestro module, all the things that put it in, you're talking a pretty large value. This could be upwards of $2,000 because if you show up, we're also going to put it in for you, or we'll ship it to you if you want to use our step-by-step videos. It's going to be a great promotion. You don't have to buy anything to take part in that promotion. All you have to do is watch some informative videos, check out the features, see if it's right for your bike, and share that video. By sharing it publicly, make sure it's not private. Try to make sure I can message you as well. Out of the 6 people that won today, 3 of you have your comments turned off. Makes it hard to get a hold of you. So I really hope you watch the video and you reach out to me so I can help make sure that you get what you won. Again, at Volunteer Audio, we don't do this as an obligation. We don't try to make you have to buy something. This isn't a bait and switch. This is truly somebody's going to win what we're giving away. And we may come up with some runner-up gifts that are awesome for you guys that are interested that wanted to purchase one anyways for either huge savings or some other smaller gift. But thank you so much for watching. We are blessed, and we're blessed because of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for purchasing. Thank you for following Volunteer Audio. So definitely follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to YouTube. By doing one of those two, you're going to always know about the latest in Harley Audio as it comes out. We're going to give you updates about new things as they come out. We're going to show you that product. We're going to show you how to install it, and we're going to show you how to use it, along with other accessories, things like Chromeworks exhaust, custom dynamic sliding. At Volunteer Audio, we love Harleys, we love accessorizing them, and we love audio. So you're going to find out the most and the best as it comes out. So thank you for watching. Like this video. If you want to share it, go ahead and share it. But we're not entering this video into anything by sharing it, but we appreciate you doing that. But we'll do another video where we'll have all the radios out. We'll talk about the features, the bikes they fit, and starting with that video, if you share it, you're going to be entered to win that for your bike. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for all of you that entered. Huge congratulations out to Eddie Ayuso. Hope you said your name right there. Hopefully I'll get to talk to you soon, get you in here and in person. We'll check out your bike. I did check. You do have a new bike. It's beautiful. I'd love to have you in here and get your upgrade done on your bike. Thank you all for watching. And as always, God bless.